Best of Kyoto. This is a city filled with unique experiences. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you have been planning a trip to Kyoto, you have probably seen pictures of Arashiyama bamboo grove. This is a natural bamboo forest with multiple pathways for tourists and one of the most photographed places in the city. We went there before 8:30 am to take pictures, so I highly recommend you go early. On the way to Iwatayama Monkey Park from Bamboo Forest is this nice view of a small lake. Iwatayama Monkey Park is a commercial park and you need to buy a ticket to visit it. It is around 30-minute walk to the mountain top where you can see lots of monkeys roaming around freely. There is also a place to feed them. At the top you can see a full view of Kyoto city. Nishiki Market is a series of local shops of street food and local goods. Make sure to try some Japanese street food here.
Thank you.
You can find plenty of kitchen related things and food in this 400 meters long market. And this is perfect for lunch hour to try some seafood. Around 40-minute train ride from Kyoto city, you can feed deers in Nara Park and take pictures. But beware, they may chase you when you have food. You can feed them. People try to take more creative pictures with deers here. Fushimi Inari Taisha. This is another place to go early if you need to take pictures. I would recommend before 8 am. You can walk to the top of the mountain or walk to nearby places. Entrance for this temple is free. Kiyomizu-dera. This is a famous Buddhist temple in Kyoto. You need to buy a ticket to go inside the temple's wooden stage. There are multiple places to rent kimono around this temple. Sagano Scenic Railway. This costs around 650 yen for one way and has a nice view in the railway. Depending on the season, the view is different. This is what you will see during end of December. You can take JR Railway on your way back without using the round trip tour. Kinkau-ji is an impressive golden temple with a beautiful pond and a garden. You cannot go inside the shrine, but you need to buy a ticket to enter to the temple. Toyota Kaikan Museum is a great place to see the evolution of Toyota, history, and their future projects.
Sorry about that. Now, let me tell you what else Toyota is doing.
They also have free guided tours to one of their manufacturing plants, including English tours to see how they assemble luxury cars like Toyota Lexus, Crown. but you need to book them in advance online. Cameras, phones are not allowed during your plant tour, but you can take pictures inside the museum. I hope I gave you some inspiration to your upcoming trip to Kyoto. Enjoy!